size red snapper.
Okay, sashimi is done.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Hawaii. I'm Taiki. Today I'm targeting yellowtail, amberjack, and probably snapper and other groupers, multiple species with this simplest fishing method, jigging. Now the water depth is around 40 meters and I can see some signs of fish between the bottom to the middle range. Fish on! Fish on! Not very big. Yellowtail. Regular size yellowtail probably. Taking drag. Yeah, snapper. Look at that. Wow, good size red snapper. Much better than I expected. Come on. Come on. Wow. I thought it's yellowtail, but it's much better. Decent sized red snapper. Alright, so I just switched up my rig to this tie rubber jig. This rig is pretty simple. You just drop this thing down to the bottom and keep winding very slowly. No actions. This little rubber thing flaps and that makes some actions. Now at the bottom, 42 meters. Fish on! Ooh. Came off. Jesus. Okay, so try the short jig. Switch up to this one. Okay, let's go. Alright, these are what I got today. One little snapper, one big snapper, and 2 yellowtail. Oi, Thai. I just came back home. What I'm thinking to cook today is shabu-shabu. It's a type of hot pot. You prepare hot pot and sashimi, and when you eat them, you wash a piece of sashimi in a hot pot with dashi soup and dip in ponzu and eat. It's pretty common dish in Japan. So today I'm gonna use 2 different fish. Okay, let's do that. I already took off guts on the boat, so just scale them, cut off the head, and clean up the inside. Prepare vegetables for hot pot. Found sprout, mushrooms, and green onion in the fridge. Okay, let's fillet the fish. Cut off the rib cage. Flour.
Okay, sashimi is done. Ponzu. Shabu-Shabu soup is ready. Sashimi is ready. Rain is ready. じゃあね、しゃぶしゃぶ。Wash sashimi and soup. Dip in ponzu. And eat. Yummy. Hi, snapper. Swim in a hot pot. Yep. And dip in ponzu. And eat. Very nice.